a different color of the leaves though. I do it, keep it clear. Oh my god, so much glitter in there. Just a little. This is, you get it free. It's not available on the website at all. This is free with your set of the bundles for the gel polish and 2-in-1 acrylic powder. So much glitter. I said, oh my god, let me get this bling right here. That is set for just a second. All right, I think there's 2 more colors we are going to do. Yeah, I'm gonna get the that's one, the sparkly rose gold. Smaller beads. I'm gonna do right here where the ombres end, and I'm gonna ombre it down. Let it set. Do another one, smaller one. So this is, you are going to do it right closer to the cuticle. Just tuck it in the cuticle just to keep it a hair away. And then flat your brush. I mean, keep it parallel to the nails, and then you can able to add on. And we're gonna pick the crystal clear and then place it right in the middle where is your ombre is. So then that way you don't have to worry about the ombre is gonna get like all fired off when we start shaping and buffing. So you want to make sure that you are seals and protect the ombre right there. Tilt the nails down a little bit, so then that way you let your gravities does all the work for you. And really feather touch, okay? Just don't mess a lot with that, and just guide it at the same time when it's setting, the powder setting at the same time, and then you guide it toward to the middle of the nails to keep not only building the structures, also it keep it from getting really bulky on the both sides. All right, let it set for just a second while we're moving on the, what we are now, last one. Oh no, we have 2 more. Awesome. Okay, really cool though.